Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Mint Pixelmon. We'll start by defining what Mint means in the Pixelmon world. Then, we'll explore the various methods available for acquiring these special creatures. Finally, I'll share some valuable tips to help you succeed in your quest for Mint Pixelmon. Get ready to enhance your collection. Minting in Pixelmon essentially means generating a new creature, often with specific characteristics or a fresh start. This isn't just about catching. It's about bringing a new Pixelmon into existence through particular game functions. These newly minted Pixelmon can possess unique traits, making them highly sought after by collectors and trainers alike. There are several paths to acquiring Mint Pixelmon. One common method is through careful breeding of two compatible Pixelmon, hoping for a new, unique offspring. Additionally, keep an eye out for special in-game events, as these often provide opportunities to obtain rare or minted creatures. On some servers, direct purchase or trading with other players is also a viable option. To maximize your chances of success, research specific breeding combinations that are known to produce desirable traits. Active participation in community events and challenges can also yield valuable Mint Pixelmon rewards. When engaging in trades or purchases, always exercise caution and verify the legitimacy of the transaction to ensure a safe and rewarding experience. Happy hunting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.